Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to enable gaming mode in iPhone on iOS 18 beta. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to enable your gaming mode, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings. From here you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection and you need to scroll it down. Click on general and guys, first of all you have to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 18. And guys, after doing this you have to go back and guys, now you need to scroll it down and here you can see the option of Game Center. You have to click on it and guys, simply you can turn on your Game Center from here. As you can see, and guys, now you have to click on continue. Make sure that you have login any Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this simply you have to click on continue with that Apple ID. And guys, after this now you can see your Game Center has been on. And guys, you can invite any friend on this Game Center and you can play multiple games here. So guys, this is the way to enable your gaming center or gaming mode in iOS 18. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.